Hello folks, hope everybody's doing well today. Today's Friday. Hope everybody's going to have a great day and a great weekend, safe weekend. Today is the day. We'd like to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to us and helping us out. We got our watch hours and everything. We've got that took care of. Now trust me folks, by no means are we going to be making money off of this here. Yeah. But just to show our appreciation, we got some books. The one from Tipper, Celebrating Appalachia, you all seen the video with it there. We'll be giving away one of those right here, folks. Hopefully you can see that there. It's a great book. Carolyn's done used recipes out of there.
Yes. And it's signed.
It's signed by Tipper and Corey. And
Jim Casta.
Yes, Jim Casta also. And that'll be one of the prizes. Let's start off. Sorry to the people outside the United States. It'll have to be in the lower 48 for the winners.
Shipping's just...
Yeah. So what we're going to do, we'll have today, if you're subscribed and leave a comment on this video here, you'll have basically a week to do it. Next Friday, the 4th, we'll have the winners listed, and then we'll have our email address. That's little Dixie down there on her bone, folks. Hopefully you can hear me. But what we'll do, we'll have the drawing. So you've got a week to subscribe and leave a comment on this video here.
Yep.
The one here on July 28th video. We'll have in the title, giveaway. I'm going to do a couple shorts about it. I'll have it on Instagram and different things just as a reminder. But it's simple as that. Just leave a comment and we'll do one of those random things there where it picks a name out and we'll put that out. And then, like I said, you just message us there and we'll send you the thing. We'll get your address and get your books out to you. Your book.
You'll have 6 chances.
You've got 6 chances. One book per winner there. We start off with this in here.
Yep.
Alrighty. This is one of the other books. Hopefully you can read this here. This is one of Carolyn's favorite books right here.
Yeah, if you're a beginner in canning, or if you've been canning for a long time, this is a really good book to go by.
Hope everybody's seeing these good. And then one more here.
If you watch Roots and Refuge, you know Jessica Soward's. It's a really good book.
Alrighty, folks. Put these away. Anything else we need to add to it, Shug?
Yep.
Like I said, just be subscribed to us. Leave a comment on this video here. And that's the video that we'll do the random pick on. And we'll have 6 winners. And we'll get these shipped out to you. Like I said again, I hate to, but it's got to be here in the lower 48. Good luck to everybody. And once again, hope everybody has a safe day. Monday, the video will be those pickles that Tipper had talked about a while back. Justin Metcalf, it's his recipe, his mama's. It's real simple. We made some this evening. We'll have that video up Monday. And
That's it. Just want to thank you all.
Yep, thank everybody. And I would like to, I'll tell you how they do it. It's once you get $100 from the best that we've read and everything. And trust me, we are a long way from that there. But what I would like to do, every time we get one of those there, once you get $100 added up, they'll send it to you from, like I said, from what we've read. And we'd like to try to, whenever that happens, have a little giveaway, maybe like an Amazon card or something there, just to show our appreciation to all you guys. Because, trust me, we wouldn't have been able to done this without you all.
Yeah.
Now, I'm tickled to death we got the hours. Like I said, we're not going to make no money off of this, folks. But we've got that goal accomplished. We've got our 4,000 watch hours, so we've got that now. And anybody that's done YouTube, for us anyway, it took us a while to get to 4,000 hours. Because once you go past that first year, they start deducting hours. And I wish everybody out there that's doing this here all the luck in the world.
Yeah.
Enough of me rambling on. You all have a great day. Lord willing, be seeing you Monday. Thank you all.
Thank you all.